guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a fall inspired pour. I've got some brown, some gold, some portrait pink, and I wanted to do a flip and drag and then go from from top to bottom and not side to side, or at least I'm gonna try. I tried this earlier with some silicone, and I think I put way too much silicone in the cups. So what I did use the same cups, so there is still probably a little bit of silicone in them, and hopefully it's not as much as I did before, but still enough to get me some cell action. So let's hope that it works. I also made sure my paint is a little bit thicker. I'm not sure if I'm layering it correctly, but I'm just trying some new techniques. I've never been able to do a flip cup correctly. Always end up with either the cups going all over the place or my paint going all over the place. Maybe it's because I'm using this tiny cups and tiny canvases. This is a 20 by 20 canvas. And I'm gonna just put a little drop of black. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay. Let's put this one on here. Like so. Grab a piece of paper. Flip the cup on the piece of paper. And oh, I'm losing paint. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, started on the wrong side. Oh, okay. Let's do it like, see? There's paint on here. Clean my hands. Oh, get that out of frame. Okay. Let's do the middle one first. Okay. I'm still not. No, okay. Let's just try the ones on the side. And tilt it a bit. See all the oranges on top? How can I get the orange on top when it was on the bottom? Anybody knows how this is possible? Please let me know. I really want to keep this color here. Okay. Let me. Yeah, you can see it like this. It's looking better. Let's just torch it a little bit. because there are some bubbles in here. Well, this is try number 2. I'm not sure if I want to do number 3, but I will show them when they're dry. Thank you guys. Bye.